Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. In this particular episode, we will see about Tajumul Hussain. He was born on 19th of December 1893 in Patna, Bihar. He completed his education from King's College School, Wimbledon and Queen's College, Cambridge. He studied law at the Inner Temple, London. Even though he was called to bar in London, he decided to come to Bihar and started his practice in Patna High Court. He had a roaring practice and became special prosecutor in Muzaffarpur and Patna. He was appointed to the bench as a first-class magistrate. He joined Congress party in 1921. He was a prominent leader of Shia Muslims in Bihar. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Bihar through the Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like participated in the debates around freedom of religion. He spoke regarding provisions related to the proclamation of emergency. He opposed the reservation in the legislature, particularly for the Muslim community, as he was of opinion that it would do more harm than good. He spoke on the issue as to who should be the President of India. So let's see that particular thing. On 24th of July 1947, he spoke on this issue of who should be the President of India. Quote, "Sir, that the office of President, being the highest and being the biggest dignitary of Republic, we should have the best man. It does not matter from where he comes. It is quite possible that when the election is being held, a Bihari or a Christian or a Jain or a Parsi may happen to be the best man at that time. He may be elected president." So this unquote. So this was his views regarding who should be the president. The best man in India should be the president. That was the view of Tajumul Hussain. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.